Good day, Kamaterific! Samahan niyo ako para tuklasin natin ang bagong lesson. And our lesson for today is finding the common factors and the greatest common factor, or GCF. Objectives: write a number as a product of its prime factors. Find the common factors and greatest common factor, or GCF, of two numbers using the following methods: listing, prime factorization, continuous division. Problem: find the common factors and the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 48 and 60. Solution number 1 using listing method. First, find the factors of 48 and 60. 48, the factors of 48, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. And the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Then the common factors of 48 and 60 are, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 48 and 60 is 12. Solution number 2 using prime factorization. So prime factorization is the process of writing a number as a product of its prime factors. So write each number as a product of its prime factors using a factor 3. Write a number as a product of its prime factor using a factor 3 of 48. So in 48, we have 2 times 24. So 2 times 24 is equals to 48. Then next we have 24. 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is equals to 24. Next we have 12. 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Next we have 4. We have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4. Write all the prime factors of 48. We have 2. Next, another 2. Next, we have 3. Another 2. And 2. Next, we have 60. Write the number as a product of its prime factors using a factor 3 of 60. In 60, we have 2 times 30. 2 times 30 equals 60. Next, we have 30. 2 times 15. 2 times 15 equals 30. 15, we have 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Then write all the prime factors of 60. We have 2, 2, 3, and 5. Then, find the common prime factors. And the common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. Then multiply the common prime factors. We have 2 times 2 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Therefore, the GCF of 48 and 60 is 12. Solution number 3 using continuous division. Continuous division is done the following steps. First, write the numbers horizontally and find a prime number that will divide the numbers if possible. Next, divide by that prime number and write the quotient below the dividends. Continue the process until no two numbers have common prime divisors. And multiply all prime divisors common to the given numbers to get the GCF. So in 48 and 60, the possible prime number that can divide is 2. So 48 divided by 2 equals 24. Then 60 divided by 2 equals 30. Then 24 and 30, the possible prime number that can divide 24 and 30 is 2. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Then 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Next, we have 12 and 15. So the possible prime number that can divide of 12 and 15 is 3. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. 4 and 5 have no common prime divisor. So multiply all the prime divisor common to the given numbers to get the GCF. The common prime divisors are 2, another 2, and 3. Then multiply all the prime divisor common to the given numbers to get the GCF. So 2 times 2, 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Therefore, the GCF, or the greatest common factor of 48 and 60, is 12. Find the greatest common factors of the following pairs of numbers. First, we have 12 and 16. So the GCF of 12 and 16 is that is correct, 6. Next, we have 18 and 24. The GCF of 18 and 24 is that is right, 6. Next one, we have 20 and 30. So the GCF of 20 and 30 is correct, 10. Next, we have 36 and 54. That is right. The GCF of 36 and 54 is 18. The last one, we have 25 and 50. And the GCF of 25 and 50 is correct, 25. Remember, prime factorization is the process of writing a number as a product of its prime factors. Common factors are factors common to two numbers. Greatest common factor, or GCF, is the biggest factor common to two numbers. We find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of two numbers by listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division. Next, we have evaluation. Find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the given number pairs by listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division.